Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Xiaomi 11T. So for that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. In that box you will have another box on the top. I think you've seen it already. So, and if you open it like this, you will have here the SIM ejection tool. So just remove the wings like that, and yeah, that's it. Otherwise you could use also, of course, the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, if you have the phone like this, you will find now down the phone the SIM tray, and the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and that hole we need for the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. Please take care. We have another hole here down the phone. This is the microphone, so please take care that you use the hole here, which one is part of the SIM tray. Okay, take your SIM ejection tool or the paper clip and then enter the hole here and the SIM tray, press a bit and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, this SIM tray is able to insert two SIM cards, one on the top and if you want, one below. Okay, by the way, you can recognize which place is for which SIM card. Always here in the middle, here is written SIM1 and at the same time, of course, below here it is written SIM2. Okay, so then let's start to insert the first SIM card. It's like this, so the contacts are on the top. So enter like this and you will hear a little click noise, then you know it's where inserted. It has to look like this then at the end. And if you want, you can add also a second SIM card here on the other side. So also, of course, the contacts here are on the top. And as you can maybe hear, you will hear also a little click noise to know that's where inserted. Looks like that then. Okay, and if you're ready with your construction, you put it just back into the phone like this. And be sure that it's well closed because the phone is waterproofed, as you know. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.